Hello and welcome to our next session of Understanding Fusion 360. So in today's session we are going to use multiple tools from Fusion 360 like revolve, then how to sketch in 3D and sweep feature from Fusion 360, and we are going to try and design this vase that you can see on the screen. So let's get started. So just create a new sketch on the z-axis first. Oops, I'm sorry. Just create a new sketch on the z-axis and select the line. I am just going to take some random dimensions for this, so you can just click on this, and we are going to first design the bottom, like the basic sketch of the vase first. So we'll just switch off the 3D sketch. If it is on in your settings, you can just switch it off for now, and we'll be going towards it later on. So you can click on the line, click on the center, say we want a base of 64 or 65 mm, so I'll just keep it up to 32 mm over here. I want the height of the vase to be 150 mm, that's roughly 6 inches, so I'll just type in 150 mm, and again the top diameter to be again 65, so I'll just keep it 32, press enter. So we can go to this spline and connect these dots first. So once this is done, click on enter, and we can design the vase that we want, so whatever shape suits you. So this shape, we'll just take this shape for reference. Now since this is done, we'll just go towards the offset, click on it, just make sure that the chain selection is unticked over here, because we don't want to offset the whole profile, we just want to offset the outline of the vase. So this has to be unchecked. You can click on the spline and the base, so these are the two sides that need to be offsetted. So we are going to offset it for 1 mm. You can click on OK. Once done, you can see that this profile is created, which is closed automatically since the offset is on the inner side, so it is closed. We can just go ahead, finish the sketch, go to the revolve tool, and the profile is already selected. We'll select the axis, we want the z axis. So the base body of the vase is ready over here, as you can see. Now what we can do is click on OK and go to create sketch again and go to z axis. Now once we do this, we have to go to the sketch palette and click on the 3D sketch. You have to turn on this 3D sketch so that it can draw anything on a three-dimensional space. So you can just go towards creating a circle over here and click on this point, which is at the bottom of the vase. So as you can see, it shows me 3 planes. So this is x-axis, y-axis, x-axis, y-axis and z-axis. So based on which axis I select, it will draw a circle on that space. So that's why this 3D sketch profile helps us with that. So I've selected the bottom, the z-axis for now. We'll just go over here and click on we'll draw a circle of say 1.2 mm, because we just want to cut half of it, we don't want to use it completely. So since we have given it a thickness of 1 mm, we'll carve out 0.6 mm from it, so that it has a thickness of at least 0.4 mm, so that it is 3D printable. So we'll just click on set to 1.2 and the circle is set over here. Now what you can do is select the profile and finish sketch. So as you can see, there's a small profile at the bottom of the vase over here, and click on the sweep option. So what sweep basically does is, whatever profile you have selected and the path that you select, it will use this profile and it will just extrude it on that path, so that if there's an intersection, it will cut that path accordingly, and if there's no intersection, it will create a body on that path. So the profile is already selected, as you can see, and we'll just go ahead and select the path. We'll click on this path. So since there was a body in between, it has automatically gone towards the cut operation. That's what we need over here. So we'll just go ahead, and if you see that it has extruded over here, you can see there are 2 options. There's one parallel and there's one perpendicular. So we'll go towards parallel because it cuts up to the top and it will give us what we need. So we will keep this on the parallel and operation as cut. Click on OK. So the first groove has been created. Now we just have to replicate this groove on this axis, so that this groove appears on all the sides of the vase. So we'll just, on the timeline, we'll go ahead and select the sweep that we've done right now, and go towards create, select a pattern and create a circular pattern. Now since the profile had already been selected, the objects are selected. As you can see, there's one object selected over here, so this is the one object that has been selected. Go to the axis and click on the ring of the vase, so that it will revolve, or it will rather create a circular pattern on this axis. So I have a set of I have set 40 quantity as of now. You can put in whatever pleases you, and it's more of a trial and error. Based on what suits you, you can put in the quantity over here. 40 seems good for me, so I'm not going to change it for now, and I'm just going to go ahead and click OK. So yeah, as you can see, the base vase is ready. I will just go ahead and change the color of our body. So we'll just go towards the appearance and probably select beige. Yeah, I have beige. I'll just go ahead and drop it over here, and there we go. So this is the vase that we have created just now using the revolve, using sweep and 3D sketching functionality of Fusion 360. I hope this helps to those who are looking out for how to use these functions in combination. And if you have any other questions related to this functionality, do let me know in the comments and I would be happy to answer. Thanks for watching.